take a piss.
Huh?
I'm directing all this. Yeah, well. G10 out on 10, I think. Yes, 410 again, sir.
Hey, I'm behind him. I'll call you back.
Oh, shit.
All right, I'll call you back. Hope we're taking 31. I'm going 1024.
Yeah, well.
Hope we're still rolling.
Yeah, well. We'll hold the bus for meeting. Yeah, well, we're on the radio with meeting.
Making a right. Speed's 25. Speed's 50, not stopping. Hope we're in left turning lane. Looks like about to make a left on Brentwood Drive. Hope, go ahead and show me 1037. Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! We're gonna put TV out. Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands!
Okay.
Show me your fucking hands! Turn over, I'm popping you again! Now! Put your hands on your head! Put your hands on your head! Put your hands on the back of your head now, I'm popping you again! Hope, taser deployed. Taser deployed. Hands on your head! Now! Put your hands on your fucking head! On the back of your head or I'm popping you again. Put them on the back of your head now. Face down. I'm about to pop you again. Taser, taser, taser. Put your hands on the back of your head. Roll the fuck over. Roll the fuck over. Roll the fuck over. You're getting it again. Interlock your fucking fingers. Interlock them. Interlock them now. Turn your palms down. Interlock them, Mom. You're getting it again. You fucking hear me?
Yes, sir.
Turn your hands over. Ah!
Okay.
Put them back in the back of your small of your back now.
Sorry, sir.
Why are you running? Interlock your fingers now. Interlock them. Interlock them now.
Why did you try to pass me?
Hope 11015. Start me a 1016. Hope you caught my traffic. Down here! Down here! All right. Come on, roll over. Stand up. I'm 10-15. Go ahead. Stand up. All right, hold up, Adam. Good. Yeah. All right, get on there. All right, we're good, I think.
How you break that wall?
30-30 G2. TBI, lead on foot, taser.
Let me tell you this. Huh? Let me tell you this. You want me to piss now or piss at jail, please? Huh?
You at jail.
All right, you want to put him in? I'll take him.
Let me get pictures of these taser spots real quick.
Where is he at?